Hi, I'm Andrea from the Sowiso team. In this guided tour, I will tell you about our Basic Statistics course and show you some of the theory pages and exercises so that you can get an idea if this course is a good fit for your class. Sowiso's Basic Statistics course is suitable for first and second year statistics courses at both college and university levels. This course is used for different subjects in the areas of statistics and data science. Exercises are a mix of multiple choice, drag and drop, and open questions. This course is available in English and Dutch. We will now go over the course structure. Keep in mind that it is possible to make adjustments to the ready-made course or create additional materials yourself. The course is split up into 11 chapters, which are further divided into sub-chapters. Each subchapter contains theory pages and exercise packages, guiding the student from easier to more difficult concepts. Students can start with theory pages before going into exercises. Theory pages will still be available to students while they are practicing, and they can easily open them up while they are completing an exercise. Exercises include worked-out solutions, helping students understand the process of solving the exercise. When relevant, exercises will offer multiple ways of reaching the solution, through manual calculation by using Excel or R. The course starts off with descriptive statistics, including types of data and 4 different measurement levels. Then we move to frequency distributions, measures of central tendency, measures of variability, and z-scores. Next, the correlation chapter helps students interpret scatter plots, understand the direction and strength of a relationship, and apply hypothesis testing using the Pearson correlation coefficient. The probability covers fundamental concepts such as sets, random experiments, events, and probability rules, including the law of total probability and Bayes' theorem. Here we show an example on sample spaces, with multiple input fields for students to fill in. The end of the chapter on probability covers contingency tables and how to interpret them. Building on that foundation, probability distributions explores discrete and continuous models. Then, we dive into the world of random variables and their distributions. Students learn how to calculate expected values and variances and analyze sums of random variables in terms of expected value and variance. The rest of the chapter deals with important examples of discrete and continuous probability distributions. The course then moves into sampling, explaining different sampling methods, among them 2 commonly used sampling methods that produce biased samples: voluntary response sampling and convenience sampling. Then we go into probability distributions of sample statistics, such as the sampling distribution of the mean. Parameter estimation and confidence intervals focus on confidence intervals for population means and population proportions. In this example, students can practice solving the exercise using Excel or R. Hypothesis testing introduces an approach using the p-value. Students can practice with null and alternative hypotheses. Students learn about determining the critical region, and then they can practice with some theoretical questions. Next, we go into hypothesis testing for a population proportion. For example, students have to choose the correct signs to define the null and alternative hypothesis. Lastly, students learn how to use a t-test to perform hypothesis testing for a population mean. In this example, students are given a situation where a paired samples t-test is used, and they have to state the null and alternative hypothesis. Then we cover testing for a mean difference. Here students have to calculate the confidence interval for the difference between 2 independent means. And in this example, they calculate the confidence interval between 2 independent proportions. Categorical association focuses on hypothesis testing in the case of categorical data. We begin with testing the population proportions of a categorical variable. Then we go into testing whether 2 categorical variables are independent. Analysis of variance, or one-way ANOVA, covers the testing of the mean difference between more than two populations. In this example, the students are given the number of members and the mean of 3 different populations, and they need to calculate the grand population mean. Regression analysis starts with simple linear regression. In this example, students need to calculate the regression equation. Even though the final answer is only the equation, students can find the full worked-out solution that includes all the steps of getting to the correct answer. Then, the student can restart the exercise and try it again with different variables. Then we go into multiple linear regression. Students go through the theoretical part, and then they can check if they understand the multiple linear regression procedure. As you saw, the course covers a range of topics, starting with descriptive statistics and ending with regression analysis. Theory pages and exercises allow students to practice independently, so they can use Sowiso course to prepare for your lessons as homework or to provide additional practice as they prepare for an exam. Find more information about the Basic Statistics course on our website or get in contact with us. Explore the full course library on the Sowiso website to find other courses that might be a good fit for you.